Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how to fix problem on Messenger not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Messenger and just open it again, and if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi, so just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, and if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to go to cellular, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Another thing you can try to restore phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, side to power off, wait a few seconds and just power phone again, so just simply restore phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to check updates for your messenger, so just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write messenger, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it was successful and installs latest updates for your messenger. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.